How to find downloads on Samsung phone. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. If you have ever downloaded something on your Samsung phone and then it disappears, in today's video we are going to provide you exactly step by step where your downloads are hiding. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So we're going to use the main storage application. We're going to open up My Files, open it up. And once we open up My Files, we can look out for the downloads option. So go ahead and tap on downloads. And here you'll be finding all of your downloaded files. Here's the your PDF, images, videos, everything. And if you do not see the downloads, you can tap on the option called internal storage and tap on it. And once we tap on it, here also will be finding an option called download. So just go ahead and tap on that option. And once we go ahead and tap on that option, if you have downloaded something from the internet, it might be inside a browser here, or if you have downloaded it from something else, you will be finding it inside a folder. You just need to go over and open it up and you'll be finding it in this section right here. And that's it. These two are probably the way. If you have used a browser, you can also go to Chrome. And once you open up Chrome, look out for the three dot in the top right corner and select downloads. And when you select downloads here also, you'll be finding all of your downloaded files available here. And that's it. And that's it, everybody. Those are probably some of the methods you can follow up if you have ever downloaded something on your device and you want to look out where it is. So we hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more.